y'all see it, man.
See the remote? The remote.
Last time y'all see it, didn't have those on there, man. Hey, look here, man. We all eating out here, you heard me? They ain't all though. That boy ain't playing around with them, man. They ain't playing around with them, man. We all eating out here, you heard me? That's hey man, we on our way to this Jaxwax. You know what I'm saying? My brother from another mother, man. Hey, y'all be sure to check out my next video, man, coming out, man. It's called Needed This Badly. That's what it's called, Needed This Badly, man. Y'all go check that one out, man. Of course, it's gonna drop before this one. But yeah, y'all see it though. Well, let's zoom back. Yeah, man. Y'all see with that mesh grill on that thing. Sheesh. Ooh. Kill him. Hey, look here, man. I remember off my video when I went to the track. It is right here, cleaned up, looking good, That's then you got what I call Big Gray. Make it Big Gray though. Jeez. Hey man, let's go hit this Jaxwax. Let's get it. Let's go, man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hey, run that intro. Yes, sir.
You do whatever. I just want to you got hot car, just put this camera up. You're gonna burn up so much smoke we ain't gonna see you. Nice car. Keep it in the trees, not the trees.
Yes, sir. So as y'all see, I done made it, man. Got the GTR right there, man. Got a drop top. Ooh-wee. Got the 392. Ooh-wee. Pulled up on them. You hear me? Got that TTRS. Hey, but them things are move, boy. Got my brother from another mother out here. Yes, sir, there it is already. In the building. Got the security on patrol. Get a little something. Got them lights up on that thing, man. Shining with that blue up under there. But look at that turquoise though. Oh, we got that fox body. Fox body right there, you hear me? Seen a C8 like that one. Seen a C8 like that one this morning, yo. That thing was looking right. Okay, 392. Yeah, man. That C8 thing. That's that C8 thing, you hear me? Smurf. Sheesh. Y'all see that, man? Big turbo going on right there. Big turbo going on right there. Big Vortex supercharger going on right there. Y'all see the Maserati? Yeah. Oh. We're just gonna go up and down the roads here. Oh. That goes sis right there. Gap Queen. Silver Surfer. Y'all done seen them on the channel before. Y'all see it? Let me see. There it is. There we go. Let's get it right. There you go. Yeah. Chevy gang, baby. The 2019 thing with that float tower on it, y'all see it. Details on it. Check out the details on it. Yeah. Got the light flickering. If y'all remember, you know what I'm saying? Y'all remember that right there. Y'all see what she done had. Dang on. What up, bro? Y'all see what she done? Y'all see what she done upgraded to? You see it? You see it? Barrel's the one and only. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? I can't call it. What's up with you? Y'all see? Got the old school out here. Where's it going? Y'all a little something. You know what I'm saying? Got the light on. And they all up over there and everything. Yeah.
Close neck block. I want to
Y'all see what y'all just seen him, man. Look here, make sure y'all tap in. Y'all see. That's got them all down there and everything. There he is, there he is. All right, how y'all doing? Got the yellow thing. You know what I'm saying? Got them all back there. Our closet had a drone. I think he got a drone flying. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they in the...
Got the purple plum. Got the purple plum on deck. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, SRT, y'all see it. Y'all see it right there, big Hellcat. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amazon driver stuck through my yard today when I was
Got that good old shaker. Hey, no cap, man. If I would've went Mopar, man, that's what I'd end up getting, man. That right there, man. The shaker, yo. Something about them shakers. Something about being able to see that engine. Clean right there, boy. Y'all see what it is, though. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm like, sheesh. Y'all see it, man. Clean right there. Yes, sir. That shaker though. Nasty. Y'all see it. one thing. Yes, sir. Tap into the IG. Tap into the IG, you heard me? Hey, look here, man. They about to leave out. I'm about to get up off this thing. Ooh, y'all see that down there? Hold up, look at that. Yes, sir. Details at night. Details at night, you hear me? But, Burl with the Hellcat. Yeah, that's Burl. Got them lane hauls, y'all check them out now. Y'all check them out, lane hauls right here, though, you hear me? That's, hey, look here, man, I'm up out of here, man, I'm up out of here. She call me her king, and I call her my queen. Y'all see, I'm out. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. JP Chevy out of here. Yeah! Big cat going on, baby. Y'all see it though.
They be trying to look cool. Like
Big cat. Big cat. That's what the 4G